Onam is one of Kerala's most cherished festivals, celebrated with joy and most importantly, the traditional feast called Onam Sadya. A grand vegetarian spread usually served on banana leaves, Sadya brings together an array of flavors, sweet, tangy, spicy and earthy, all balanced beautifully in every dish. So today let's make 3 quintessential recipes from the Onam Sadya platter: Avial, Beetroot Pachadi and Pumpkin Erissery. To begin with, let's prepare the ever popular Avial. For this, in a deep bottom vessel, add 3/4 cup of water, some salt and haldi. First, drop in drumsticks, carrots and potatoes. Let them cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the coconut paste. Blend together coconut, green chilies, zeera and a little rice with a 1/4 cup of water into a coarse paste. Now add the remaining vegetables along with the coconut paste, salt and another 1/2 cup of water. Mix gently, cover and let the veggies cook until soft but not mushy. Once done, add whisk dahi, stirring lightly on a low flame. As soon as it comes to a boil, switch off the gas and finish with a garnish of curry leaves and a drizzle of coconut oil. Your creamy, comforting Avial is ready. Next, we have the vibrant Beetroot Pachadi. In a kadhai, add 2 cups of grated beetroot, a 1/4 cup of water and salt to taste. Now cover and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. While that's cooking, let's make the coconut chutney. Grind fresh coconut pieces with ginger, a green chili and mustard seeds into a coarse paste. Add a splash of water if required. Now add this paste to the beetroot and mix well. Cook for a couple of minutes, then stir in a 1/4 cup of yogurt. Cover again and cook on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. For tempering, heat coconut oil, splutter mustard seeds, add a red Kashmiri chili and curry leaves. Now pour this tempering over the pachadi and mix gently. Let it rest for a minute so the flavors seep in and your deliciously tangy sweet beetroot pachadi is done. And finally, let's prepare the earthy and flavorful Pumpkin Erissery. Now start by heating coconut oil in a pan, splutter mustard seeds, red chili and curry leaves. Now add in the cooked pumpkin followed by cooked lobia. Next, stir in coconut paste made with cumin and green chili and season with salt. Now in a separate pan, brown some grated coconut. This can either be mixed into the pumpkin mixture or sprinkled on top as a garnish. The Pumpkin Erissery is ready to serve with its nutty, comforting aroma. And there you have it, 3 traditional Onam Sadya dishes that capture the heart of Kerala's festive cooking. Prepare these with rice and other accompaniments and you'll have a true taste of Onam on your plate. Happy Onam! For more such easy recipes, subscribe to Times Foodie.